Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ya ka Information, Education and Communication campaign arajar arpuhenrio halor kajing Pynsngewthuh ya ka HIV AIDS lasdang ha Umsning Ribhoi district ha singi balang ha kajing rakhi ka International Youth Day arajar arpuhenrio halor ka phang pedeng different context common aspiration. Ya kani program le penong de Ribhoi Area Welfare Association de kajing trilang bat ka SOS Children's Village Meghalaya but ka office jong ka District AIDS Control Officer DMHO Ribhoi daga Jinkershan ka Meghalaya Police Academy ka UEC campaign ka long ka thong ban pin sapryang ka jingtep halor uknyang jingpang HIV AIDS ban pin shlori ki patba ban wan shakmat ban letas ban pha sumar ban Pynsngewthuh bagin omsha nyo ben ha ka imlang ka salang. Hakani kasngi lasdang na kachingyat padba ki khna school na ki school ba pher ka basdang na yo Umsning sha CFC Hall ka balapunong ya ka program hakati ka jaka. Ki khna school ki lara ai ki bana bar ki plakat ringkat ki khubor ban pun kubor ki samla ka kot ka khya bar ka jinghi kai Pynsngewthuh. Habagran hakani kasngi ka Dr. E Marbanyang District AIDS Control Officer Ribhoi kalau banjur ke jalan kam ban bentip habadon ye uknyang jingpang HIV ban letas khamkloi ban pha sumar khamkloi kalau kintui kinong shnong ban ya treilang na du kinong yalam shnong kinong hikai bat kinong trei ka kot khya ban yo jingjop hakani ka thong ka ban thmu ban khampen bha ye ki rukam sumar bat ki jing ai ching sumar hakani sngi ladon langru ka kong balakantiu rani MCS ADC Ribhoi District ka bade ka kongsan uba lakador CM IPS in charge Director Meghalaya Police Academy ubulong usubut kongsan kakong balakantiu kalakintui ki samla banya trilang banwanra ka jingkala bandan kamen CM sngolam ban bishar yakiwe ki bala ajinkran hakani ka sngi ki kinthop uba Andrew Mirthong BDO Umsning Block bat Mary J Syndrome ki khna school na ki school ba pher ki la shiminta ka jingkran lang ki jingkop jingrai bat drama ya ka program le penkut dak basam ki khusnam shakiba yo jingjop hagi jingkop ba pher
Stand true. Lead the way, all you do. Rise with courage, lead with purpose. Rise with courage, lead with purpose. Rise with courage, lead with purpose. Lead with purpose. Equal respect.
Different background.
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 Equal respect.
Equal respect.
Healthy society, healthy nation. Healthy youth, healthy society, healthy nation.
अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को एनालाइज करना तो वो भी
You are the youth, you are the future of the society. And when you dare to dream, you will also dare to work hard.
This IUC plays a vital role in creating awareness and ensuring that accurate information on HIV/AIDS.
It's high time that we have to sensitize ourselves, have to educate ourselves the importance of knowledge so that we can prevent ourselves from getting infected.
We are your sharpeners. All of us, grown-ups here, we must remember, we have to continue to sharpen the minds of our young people. We have to sharpen the talents of our young people so that they are able to stand in that hall of fame. And And every day, and one day, people will know your name. Be an umbrella. What do you mean by be an umbrella? What do you use an umbrella for? An umbrella is used to cover yourself from, very good, rain or sunshine. What does rain and sunshine signify? It signifies the harsh realities of life. It signifies disaster. It signifies problems that this world is bringing on the young people. We have to be that umbrella.
I would like the youth who are present here today to practice more empathy. You know, I have already set the context of where we're living in. We live in very different backgrounds, very different schools, different family, different opportunity, different access to life. But what unites us are our purpose and our aspirations. So you know that each one of us is very different in the way we live and the way we think. But when we have empathy for each other, we tend to judge each other less. So do not judge a friend or a classmate of yours who do not seem to have a good set of mobile phone. Do not judge a colleague of yours or a student of yours who actually work after school to support the family. So these are the small lessons of empathy that I think each youth should learn. Number 2.
टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है दुनिया का नारा